Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So for the live sessions, feel free to reach out to us below mentioned number. And in the last video, we had discussed related to the introduction of the ServiceNow client scripts. So there, I was having some audio related issues, technical issues. I'm sorry for that. And let's try to understand today what is OnLoad client script in ServiceNow. So OnLoad client script, and I will try to take up different kind of use cases, 3 to 4 use cases we'll try to take up. And before we are pitching into the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the notification button. I will keep on uploading the videos so that you will not miss out if you subscribed and notification button clicked on. Okay, see here, what is OnLoad client script? OnLoad, it is there in the name itself. Okay, it is there in the name itself. What is OnLoad? See, OnLoad is nothing but whenever the page is loading, see here, I'm trying to opening one incident. I will go to the incident and try to open the one incident. Then you will get understand it easily. Okay, I will go to incident, click on new. See, now what is happened? The form is loaded. See here, whenever the form is loaded, the entire form, the script related to the OnLoad will be executed. Okay, understand? So whenever the form is loaded, okay, whenever the form is loaded, okay, whenever the form is loaded, the client script will be executed, depends on the script, JavaScript, the condition what we had written, it will give us the output. Okay, let's say I want category should be read only, or I want service field is mandatory. Okay, this kind of operations can be done in the any scripting. If you take any scripting, client side scripting, any script type like OnLoad, it can be on change, it can be on submit, okay, or on edit. You will be using two APIs. They are related to the client side. What are the APIs? What script you will be writing? How do you achieve this kind of scenario? Okay, see, there are G underscore form and G underscore user. There are two different kind of APIs inside the ServiceNow. G is nothing but glide form and glide user. Remember, so giving and writing this kind of APIs in the scripting, you will be achieving your requirements. Okay, use cases. So there are two things, that is G underscore form, G underscore user. Two APIs will be used and you will be writing your scripting. So inside the glide form, you will be having different kind of methods. Okay, and inside the user, you will be having different kind of methods. Okay, if let's say I want this particular field should be mandatory, okay, then I will be having in the form level, I will be having an own method related to the set mandatory. Okay, we'll try to look into that each and every method inside the APIs. Okay, so now I will try to show you how to write the scripting. So simply I can go to headers, configure, then I will go to the client script. In the last video, we had already discussed there are two ways. From here, you can go from here. I am trying to clicking on new. So whenever I am trying to clicking on new, this form will be opened, this form. So here I need to give the name of the script. Let's say OnLoad client script. I am just giving underscore demo. Okay, you can give in the real time based on your requirement. So on what field you are writing, I mean what table you are writing, automatically it has been taken. See here, incident table. So on what view I will be selecting, let's say all. The type I will be selecting on load. You just observe, okay? You just observe here. Whenever I am selecting the type, you will be, you know, you will be populating some script, the function here related to the client side script. See here, I will be selecting here on load. So what will happen? The onload related function will be auto populated. Here I will be writing the scripting. I will try to write the script here. Give you three business use cases. The requirements are okay. Whenever the form is loading, okay, whenever the form is loading, I want category, okay, category field or category is mandatory. And next, I want the description or short description should be assigned, should be having the by default value should be filled out whenever the form is loading. Let's assume, hey, I am on load client script, something like this. Okay, next, you just understand here next requirement. Okay, you can understand. I will try to help you out. Whenever I am logged in into the same instance with user, let's assume admin user, this is the admin, okay, this is the admin related user. I shouldn't see, okay, I shouldn't see inside the state, I shouldn't see on hold. This option shouldn't be visible whenever the form is loading. This is what the requirement. So three requirements, understand? So whenever the form is loading, if the user is admin, I shouldn't see, okay, I shouldn't see this on hold option. Okay, this are our use cases. Okay, try to understand again. Category mandatory, description or short description should be assigned with some default value, and for admin state value, inside the state value on hold shouldn't be visible. That is what the requirement. Okay, so I think I had written already the scripting. Let's quickly walk you through. It should be somewhere. Yeah, hope everybody knows, right, how you can gone through, how you can be navigating through, you know, to write the client script. Okay, here I had selected the onload, here I had written some scripting. Okay, see here, what are all this scripting, what does this exactly, what does this, hmm? What does this, what is this requirement exactly? I think it has been opened automatically, the other script type. Yeah, observe here, okay, observe carefully. This line and this line and this line and this line, what does this exactly? Okay, what is the need of them? So it is there in the name itself. Set mandatory. It is there in the name itself. What is that method? Whenever you are trying to, you know, click on the dot, whenever you're writing something, okay, G underscore form dot, whenever you are clicking on the dot, you will be seeing list of methods, something like this, list of methods inside the form. Okay, the options you will be seeing, there are a number of options. I had taken few examples and you know uh, methods and trying to explain you. Okay, what does this hmm? So here, what does set mandatory? Set mandatory is the method can help you out to keep category as mandatory positive way. So this is the boolean value true. If I keep false, what will happen? This will not be mandatory. If I keep true, the candidate the category should be mandatory. Okay, next, set value. Okay, next I will try to write one sentence and I will try to help you. Okay, even you can take it the reference from here itself. I will try to help you, don't worry. Set value. So what is this? This is the back end value of the description, and this is the string value I had given. And next, this is first requirement, this is second requirement, this is third requirement related code that we are writing. Coding means you don't write much as like developer does, don't worry. It is, you need to, you will be using the internal APIs and write it, direct methods. Okay, see here, what does this statement? If G underscore user, I had used some API in the last video. I had introduced G underscore user. What does this API? The API will help you out. It is also consisting the methods inside the glide user with different kind of methods. So has role is one of the method. Has role means this particular form, okay, or on the table, if it is the role is admin, then I will be jump into the condition. If I had the role of admin, I shouldn't see the state is on hold. Why I had written 3? The backend value of on hold is 3. That is why I had taken here is the 3. What is state here? State is the field. Okay, what is the remove option? Remove option is the method. So here there are different kind of methods you can start practicing on. So how you will be practicing and all, I will let you know in next 2 minutes. Okay, you just observe here. Okay, so simply you can come here, G underscore form, I will write it, and dot. So I'm not knowing anything about G underscore form. Each and every reference document you will get it. Okay, click on show document. So you will come here and click on right click and click on show documents. So then the moment it will be opening the list of methods inside the glide form. So the total information it will be here, see here. So glide form in an API provides methods to customize the forms. If you come down, add decoration is one of the method. You can come here and check if there is any add decoration method is there. Okay, see here, add decoration, see here, this is the method. You are not knowing anything about this method, then what you do, you will simply come here and check for them. If you are not knowing anything, you will come here and check. How do you write add decoration? something like this. Okay, this is how you need to improve your skills with help of the reference documents. Also in ServiceNow we had very good options. Okay, fine. And also if not knowing anything about this particular form set value, then you will just mouse over it, something like this. Okay, g underscore form dot set value. Okay, set value, select this. Then you are not knowing anything, how do you write the function? Then mouse over it, then it will show g underscore form dot set value, field name we need to take up, and next string display value we need to give. That's it. Okay, this is how you need to improve your skills inside the service now. Any topic, it is very user friendly, man. Okay, fine. See here, we had written this, and let's check out if this is working or not. So before I am loading to the form, okay, I will try to duplicate this page, and let me go to incident. Okay, create new. So he see here, do you see anyone category is mandatory, or the state inside the state on hold is not visible for admin, and you see description is filled with some text, default text, no, right? So see here, I will try to update our script. Okay, or save it and check it if whenever the form is loading it is working or not. Okay, I will simply go here and I will try to reload my form. Now you check it. No, why? Active, I need to make it as active. Okay, if it is not active it will not work out. Make it as active and update it. Now you go to incident form and reload it. So now the category became mandatory, and inside the state I don't see on hold reason, and it has filled with some on sale edit client script, some text. Okay, this is how you learn very slowly. Okay, I shouldn't take different kind of methods and explain you. You should understand in a simple and short way on load client script. Okay, this is all about. And feel free to share it with your friends. And if you like the video, probably you can like and subscribe our channel if you don't subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video.